And we back, 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 and we back. Alright, so cool. You feel what I'm saying? I told y'all I was gonna upload. I don't know if I told y'all that I was gonna upload 2 times back to back. But this is the episode for beginning of cooking with Jay. So, and I'm in the midst of the process of cooking red beans and rice. You feel what I'm saying? It's gonna take about 3 hours. So we cooking this at 5 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take about 3 hours to get done, so it can be done at a decent time. So this is like part 1. Alright, okay, cool. So I got my machete. You feel what I'm saying? I got my machete. We're gonna chop up some celery. We already got some chopped up onion, bell pepper. We use some fish boil, Creole seasoning, sausage, chicken broth, butter. Oh yeah, and got some red Kennedy real, not out the can, out the bag. But for the time being, you know, we just chop up some celery. My knife a little dull, you know. How y'all? I hope y'all day has been going okay, been going well, swell. You know, actually. So to try to shorten down the videos, I'm gonna just try to put it in one process, not trying to show too much everything, just enough. Only like special time, almost like, you know, so when it's something actually special to see. So I won't be wasting storage or wasting time. You know, and won't be a lot of videos.